Hi guys, After Nick's here. Just gonna be doing a little how-to video. This is gonna be my first how-to video. If you don't know who he is, he is my brother. And so right now we're gonna teach you how to make a crayfish trap. I can't speak. And so that is what he's gonna be making it out of. This thing. It's a Gatorade bottle. It's very simple. Pretty much all you need is a creek for crayfish. Gatorade bottle, some rocks down at the creek, and a hot dog.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all you need. And a razor knife.
You want me to talk about how to do it?
Yeah, Seth, take it away.
Okay, so basically, we're doing what we did earlier in the last video, how we went down to the creek, and I already had one of these traps. After we stopped filming the video, though, I found these two Gatorade bottles on the way back, so I just thought, hey, maybe we could use some more traps. So I've already got one set up because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to like watch me you guys don't want to watch me do it all the whole thing, so I'm just gonna do one. But as you can see, like there's turkey dogs in there.
Successful.
And,
so yeah.
So I'm gonna show you guys how to make one out of this Gatorade bottle. So Joel's gonna be filming while I make this, and this is just what I use. I just use a razor blade, but if
it's one of the easiest ways because it's so sharp. But I'm gonna let my brother take it over again.
Yeah. But basically, I'm 14, so I'm okay to use this, but
pretty much not until you're 15.
If you're like Joel's age,
which is 11,
you might want to get your mom's help or your dad's help. And anywho, I'm gonna start doing this. If Joel could put the camera down here so he can see. So
okay, so here you go.
So what you're gonna do is, well, right after Joel brings the camera closer, so you can actually see. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your razor blade. This thing, sorry, it's rusty, and you see this right here?
That's pretty much the center of it.
That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna hold it like this and be very, very careful, like you're holding a pencil, and you're gonna hold the bottle down so it doesn't slip, and you're just gonna jab it right in there, and you're just gonna hold the bottle still, and always cut away from yourself so when you're pulling it, you don't hurt yourself. And I'm just gonna slowly rotate the bottle as I cut it.
It's kind of like using a saw.
And then it just comes right off, and I'm going to put the razor blade away for right now. And as you can see, we got it perfectly cut.
Not perfectly.
So it's
still
fine.
got some round edges.
It's fine. But, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this. I might trim it a little bit more, but all you have to do is you just pop it in there like that. And see how the cap is in there? That's so they can get in. See how I can stick my fingers in there? But they can't get out. See? It's hard for me to pull it out. See? My fingers get stuck. So that's how it works. But that's... Hang on, let me trim it. But that's not the only thing you need to do. So you might want to just trim it to make it work more. Notice how I'm cutting away from myself and keeping my fingers
firmly on the bottle.
Knife.
Firmly and
below. So what I'm doing is I'm just pulling that off. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it in there.
I would recommend for this using clear tape.
This one I'm using for smaller crayfish since the bottle's so huge. No, since the top is so close to the bottom. But what you have to do is you have to get, Joel, just let me tell him, and you have to get some clear tape like this, and you have to take it and not mess it up like I just did. But you need to put it right along here. And you need to just keep it straight. And then what I usually do is I cut off a bit of a longer strand, and I take my knife and I just hack at it like that, and it usually just comes right off.
And of course it's away from the body.
And see how it doesn't come out? Oh, well, that failed. My bad. Anywho,
you take the round part so it's sturdy.
It'll stay in there, but like the tape is just so it stays there.
Yeah.
But it can fall out, but it's okay if it's not fully taped. Mine has, like, you see this? that will hold it in there if I just hook it like that. So now it's hooked in there.
I'd recommend hooking it.
Shouldn't come out too far. But now what I'm gonna do is
a crayfish.
I'm gonna get the turkey dogs in a second. So I'm gonna walk over here. Got the turkey dogs. I recommend using hot dogs just because, you know, crayfish are meat eaters. Now these are frozen ones, so you have to be very careful with it. So I'm taking the razor blade again, and I'm putting it at the piece I want, and I'm putting my hand above it and just pushing it down so I don't cut myself. And there's one piece, and now I need one more piece like that. And then what we do is we take these and just drop them in there, shake them around so they get out from under the cap, like that. See how they're under the cap? And then we just shake them around so they move around. And then what we do, clean up 2 traps.
You can also use a Powerade bottle for that if you want.
You can use any...
You can pretty much use anyone
that's
like that.
You can pretty much use any plastic bottle that you want. You can use a soda bottle. Heck, I could probably even use this creamer bottle if I wanted to.
If you wanted to.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So I will see you guys later. Bye.